We have learned that an Eastland County deputy has died. The sheriff's office says a fire crossed into Carbon, Texas, and Sergeant Barbara Fenley was going door to door evacuating people when those conditions deteriorated. She was 51 years old and is survived by her husband and 3 children. Adam Bennett joins us now live. And Adam, our hearts do go out with the first responders across the state. We know there are so many working hard to protect people, and many coming from our area.
That's right, Cheryl. In fact, 2 firefighters from the Spring Fire Department are up there right now. They are on the front lines trying to stop the flames and save homes. When Texas A&M Forest Service put out the call for firefighters trained in wildland firefighting,
I said, let's go. I mean, this is come up here and do a difference.
Spring Fire Department Captain Tim Wyman and firefighter Jason Adams raised their hands. Captain Wyman spoke with me this morning from Eastland County and provided these videos. They've been working almost non-stop since arriving yesterday, minus a 3-hour break.
The training's definitely kicked in. I had to apply that training we had to apply that training in a different way because we are in a different type of terrain.
Open country with high winds and dry conditions fueling the flames. The 2 joined up with crews from North and Central Texas, initially protecting homes.
Wetting down the yards, moving things onto the porch.
Then attacking the fire.
The people up here are just amazing. I saw 2 young girls with a horse trailer drive through flames to get to the pasture to get their horses out, seeing neighbors helping neighbors move cattle from pasture to pasture.
Captain Wyman and firefighter Adams expect to work 12-hour shifts over at least 10 days, though that deployment could be extended.
My wife is very understanding, and she understands that we're out here, you know, doing the good Lord's work.
Right now, that fire is just 4% contained, and within the next half hour, Governor Greg Abbott is expected to give a press conference updating everyone on the state's response to this massive set of wildfires. Cheryl?
We look forward to that update. Thank you so much, Adam. Remember, rain, shine, smoke, fire. The KHOU 11 app has you covered with plenty of radars and forecasts for your neighborhood. Be sure to download it for free in the Apple or Google Play stores.